We've already explored a handful of the many new features of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, but now we have more exciting Samsung features to share with you. Bennett Brunner, who rose to prominence for revealing information about One UI 6.1, has revealed 6 more exciting features that the Galaxy S24 series would offer, one of which is the ability to translate voice to text. Additionally, you may translate text into a variety of languages and convert recordings of meetings or classes into written text for convenient access. Circle to search, then tap and hold the home symbol to obtain additional information about anything on your screen, such as a picture or web page. To bring up a more extensive Google search, touch or draw a circle around it. The S24 contains a feature in the Quick panel that enables you to translate conversations using its 3 built-in translators. The S24 offers 4 powerful editing capabilities similar to those found on the Pixel phone, allowing you to place people or objects in photographs and even expand them. You may choose to read or hear the translations. The 5th feature is Browser Aid, which is excellent for quickly comprehending long or multilingual websites by summarizing or translating them, and the 6th is Wallpaper Masking with the new wallpaper choice. You may now choose a topic from a scene and apply artistic styles or eliminate the frame to make it stand out. There's also an upgraded calendar clock design that displays the time in your to-do list, and users of the Galaxy S23 Z Fold 5 or Z Flip 5 have good news. One UI 6.0 is now available for the majority of compatible Galaxy phones and tablets. Everyone is looking forward to the next major upgrade, UI 6.1, in the coming days. According to recent sources, the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will once again employ Exynos CPUs in Asian and European markets, while Snapdragon chip variants may be offered in certain locations. Exynos processors will be available for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus in Europe, according to a recent report from Wind Future. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.